Hello everyone, welcome back to Tips from the Expert. I am Luca Cianni from Norton Saint-Gobain. Today I show you how to easily assess corners and tight areas with Norton Pneumatic File Belt Kit for metal preparation process. Norton File Belt Kit includes a pneumatic tool for highly professional applications from heavy stock removal to finishing surface preparation. The machine is lightweight, ergonomic handling, very robust with simple setting. The kit also includes 3 non-woven abrasive belts in coarse, medium and fine grades, and a high-performance ceramic belts R929 in P60 and P80 grades. Please leave your comments below and we get back to you as soon as we can. If you like this video, follow us on our YouTube Norton channel. Thanks for watching and take care.